Greeks regularly consulted local seers, wandering prophets, concerning life decisions. Many of these individuals not only gave advice concerning the future, but for an additional fee would supply protective amulets, love potions, and powerful curses to be laid upon enemies, disloyal spouses, and so on. Oracles were different from these in their greater formality, specific locations, and attachment to specific gods. Of these, the three greatest were two oracles of Zeus, king of the gods, at Dodona in northwest Greece, region known as Epirus, and at Siwa in the Libyan desert. And the third was the oracle of Apollo at Delphi. Whereas seers and lesser oracles might be questioned regarding their reliability, the pronouncements of the big three were generally regarded as authoritative. At Dodona, more than 1,400 lead tablets dating from the 6th to the 2nd century BC have been discovered. Their questions run the gamut from queries about spousal faithfulness to national questions concerning war and peace.